Are you an SAP user? Does your company maintain material masters and bill of materials within SAP? Then you can relate to the difficulty of having to maintain them across many plants, sales divisions, and warehouse locations. We're happy to introduce you to BMax by LeverX, the leading software for installing a fully automated and cost-saving solution for material master data entry, running across SAP Business Suite and S/4HANA. Traditionally, you'd have to manually enter your data into the SAP Material Master template, which features hundreds of data fields, and this would need to be done for each organizational unit and plant your operation has. Sounds like a full-time job in itself, right? Or you'd have to use a third-party legacy upload application that's complex to use, only semi-automates the data entry process, and is also very expensive and doesn't include any workflow. But with BMax, the entire process is fully automated, and intelligence is built into the software. BMax features a rules-based engine that can take your manual data entry and then fill out the remainder of those hundreds of data fields automatically based on the rules you apply. So instead of spending hours doing this manually for every material, you can get it done with one click for thousands of materials at once, providing you a speedy, efficient, automated, and cost-friendly solution which has produced hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings for our clients. Meet Chris, who oversees distribution at a company which runs on SAP and manufactures hand sanitizer. Demand has increased for the product, and production has increased at all of their many plants. Chris decides to introduce new production at 5 more plants to meet the demand. Without BMax, Chris would have to extend the material master to all of those plants using traditional methods, like manually writing in each piece of data into an Excel spreadsheet and placing it within SAP. This would involve copying templates and emailing spreadsheets with his colleagues back and forth in order to manually fill out hundreds of data fields SAP requires for material master. And Chris would have to do this for all 5 plants. That's both a very time-consuming and error-prone process, and with a heavily regulated product, Chris can't afford any costly mistakes. But with BMax, our intelligent rules engine allows Chris to define concise rules for how the hand sanitizer data will be populated across material master views, which allows Chris to assign default values for the extension process. So data like MRP views, accounting views, warehouse management views, and many more can all be set to a default value. This ensures extension conformance and data quality, and eliminates the need to manually populate the data, all with no special IT knowledge required. What about data that can't be captured by rules? To further automate the process, Chris can collect material master within his workflow and automatically assign it to the appropriate colleague that can manually fill out the remaining material master fields. Finally, Chris can use BMax to automatically extend his existing material master data to his 5 new plants to begin production on the hand sanitizer that many around the world so desperately need. And each plant will have the same information. To book a personal demonstration for your company or learn more, visit our site below and start your journey to simplify and automate the extension of materials and bill of materials across your organization.